Welcome back. Now, in a sales presentation, you are typically going to want to have specific headlines. And the best headlines you can use at the top of your sales presentation, and you can use those that are not quite as good as subheadlines throughout your presentation. And so what you're going to want to do is to ask ChatGPT to give you headlines to use in your presentation. And so we're going to ask ChatGPT to write 5 headlines. We're going to give the chatbot context. So we're now going to give ChatGPT some specific parameters, and we're now going to click Enter. Now obviously we returned an error, so what we did was we pushed the F5 button to refresh our page, and we're going to give ChatGPT another prompt to give us more information. So we are going to alter the text slightly, and we're going to click Enter. And we're now going to get our information. Now the machine did not quite understand our query, so what we're going to do is we're going to ask for 5 specific headlines. And we're now going to hit Enter. So now what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite our sales letter and to use our headlines and our subheadlines. And we're going to give ChatGPT a suggestion. And so what we're going to now do is we're going to now ask the chatbot to write in a different voice for the final draft. And we're now going to click Enter. And we now have our next draft. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.